Mr. Chairman, ladies and gentlemen of the House. On to happier business. As was explained, House Joint Resolution 573 does establish January 14, 2018, and each year thereafter is Pongal Day in Virginia. As our Speaker now knows, as Chair of Rules, Pongal is actually a revered holiday for Tamil Indians, and it's essentially their equivalent to our Thanksgiving. There are actually 75 million Tamils worldwide who trace their ancestry to southern India. And I'm delighted that many of us in this House actually have the privilege of being able to represent many Tamils in Virginia, and that they are a very vibrant and growing community. The resolution is simply a way to recognize the numerous contributions of the Tamil community while also sharing their rich traditions with other Virginians. I would move that we pass the resolution, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you.
Vanakkam. As Thai Pongal begins, Tamil families here in the UK and around the world are coming together to celebrate. It's a time to cast out the old and embrace opportunities to come. A time to give thanks, not just for the harvest, but also for friends, family and neighbours. And it's also a great opportunity for all of us to reflect on the contribution made by Britain's Tamils. Your community punches well above its weight, making a real difference to countless lives right across the country. I want this to be a country where everyone, regardless of their background, can play their part and achieve their ambitions. Our Tamil community is a fantastic example of what that looks like, helping make Britain the diverse, successful country we are all so proud of. So to everyone celebrating today and in the days to come, let me wish you all a happy Thai Pongal and an auspicious year ahead.
Vanakkam. Over the next few days, Tamils in Canada and around the world will gather with loved ones to celebrate Thai Pongal. Chaque jour de cette fête a sa propre signification et ses traditions particulières qui sont liées à l'abondance, à la paix et au bonheur. In 2016, the House of Commons voted unanimously to recognize every January as Tamil Heritage Month. I encourage everybody to reflect on the strong heritage of Canada's Tamil community. Our nation is stronger and richer because of the contributions of Tamil Canadians. This year also marks Canada's 150th anniversary, and we should seize every opportunity to celebrate the many cultures, languages, and beliefs that make our country such a wonderful place to live. On behalf of our family, Sophie and I wish everyone marking Thai Pongal a joyful harvest festival. Inia Pongal Nalval Tulkol.